Benefits of professional office chair cleaning and commercial furniture cleaning. We all know that keeping our office space clean is essential for maintaining a professional and healthy work environment. However, many of us overlook the importance of cleaning our office chairs and other commercial furniture. So let's dive into the details. 1. It helps improve air quality. Office chairs and other commercial furniture can harbor allergens, dust, and bacteria, which can affect air quality and cause respiratory problems. Professional cleaning removes these contaminants, helping to improve the air quality in your office. 2. It prolongs the life of your furniture. Regular cleaning can help preserve the condition of your office chairs and other commercial furniture, which can save you money in the long run by avoiding costly replacements. 3. It removes stubborn stains. Professional cleaning can effectively remove stubborn stains from your office chairs and other commercial furniture, such as coffee spills, ink stains, and more. 4. It helps maintain a professional image. Clean and well-maintained office chairs and furniture can help create a positive impression on clients and visitors, enhancing your professional image. 5. It promotes employee health and productivity. Clean office chairs and furniture can help prevent the spread of germs and reduce the risk of illness among employees, resulting in increased productivity and fewer sick days. 6. It saves time and effort. Professional cleaning services can save you time and effort by taking care of the cleaning for you, allowing you to focus on your work. Conclusion. So, as you can see, there are many benefits to professional office chair cleaning and commercial furniture cleaning. It can improve air quality, prolong the life of your furniture, remove stubborn stains, maintain a professional image, promote employee health and productivity, and save you time and effort. We hope you found this video informative. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.